This video will be about installing Docker on Windows operating system and creating a operating system container in it. First of all, what is Docker? Docker is a set of platform as a service product that uses operating system virtualization to deliver softwares in packages which we call as containers. So for installing Docker, first of all, we will visit docker.com. We will click on Get Started over here. We have to install Docker on Windows operating system, so we will click here. This will start downloading Docker. So Docker is downloaded now. We will start installing it. It will download the necessary packages after we start installing it. We will wait until it unpacks the required files. For installing Docker on Windows operating system, the Windows version should be Windows 10 2004 or higher than that, and virtualization should be enabled on your operating system, which you can check in the Task Manager. In the Task Manager, you have to go in the Performance tab and check whether virtualization is enabled or not. So the installation is completed. We will need to restart our Windows operating system.